Welcome, guys. Welcome back to this module 2, the practical aspect of what we've been teaching on this while. So today we'll be looking into the lead generation and the practical step by step on how to set up a lead funnel or a landing page, page builder. And for the purpose of this video, we are using Serlzo. So when you go to serlzo.com, yeah. So we are here in Serlzo. If you've not gotten your account, you can create your new account here or join the community. So let me go to my account, one of my accounts, and then we'll continue from there. Yeah. So this is my account. Already I have one list built already. I have 579 leads. So for the purpose of this video, we are focusing on lead generation. We will still touch automation and all that, all these features we have here, but we are concentrating our mind on lead generation. And when you talk of leads, um we are building a lead funnel, we are building a sales funnel, we are building a landing page. And when you are building a lead funnel, there are three things that you have to set up. We'll have to set the list, the form, and the page itself. All right. So when you look down here, these are the listing I have, the list I've already created, but I'm going to delete some. Yeah, let me just delete this one. So like I said, we are actually building a landing page that we use to do what? To pitch our offer and send people to that landing page. Like this AI system of a thing, when you run an ad on Facebook, on TikTok, Instagram, or any social account, then you now direct your customer or your prospect or your lead to a landing page. What happens in that landing page? When they come to that landing page, they will see the offer you are pitching. They will see the webinar video you've listed there. They can listen to it, and then after they will, if they're interested, they will now click on the CTA. The CTA is call to action. They will click on the CTA. Then the CTA, the button will now take them to do what? To complete a form. The form consists of um 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 um, um their names, their phone numbers, and their email address, and any other relevant or important information you might need from them. But these three are the basics. Now you've taken their contacts, their details. You now save them in this system. All right. And from there, the automation we'll be talking about continues from there. And once you've done that, maybe there is an offer you've been pitching, or you have a lead magnet. Your lead magnet can be a template or an ebook or stuff like that, or a sample or stuff. Then when they now click to get the offer you are pitching or to get the lead magnet, they will first of all do what? Fill a form, and with that form, you've gotten their details, and then start following them up from there. So that is basically what we are going to build in this page. So first, we are starting with lead generation. Now here, before we do anything here, we first of all create a list. This list is kind of CRM or like a storage where we store their number, but for them we have to name it. Like, let's say, let's say AI system Masterclass. Say you want to run this program. I want to run an event. Okay, let's say we want to run an event, and we want to advertise, run an ad on social media about this event that is coming up. And you want to get contacts, information of people that are interested. So we are creating a list of where their details will be stored. All right, so we can name this list, and just put a short description. You can decide to toggle here on. You toggle to save the lead that join, to your Google contacts, or you can set to toggle it off or toggle it on. It's entirely dependent on you. So if you toggle it on, it will be those contacts will be saved in your Google account, your Google contacts here. But for now, we're leaving it. All right. So once we're done by naming the list, we create the list. All right. Now we've got a new list, AI Masterclass. So this is where the information we've got from landing page. This is where it is stored. Like when you see the two this thing below, two lists below webinar video call, we have 138 contacts, case digital general leads, we have 441 contacts. These are the leads we've generated for these different events. All right, now we've created our list. The next is to create our form. So we'll go to form. We come here. You don't basically do anything here. So what we're actually doing is we are creating our landing page. But before then, these are the things that you need to set up. All right. Then when you now create the form, you set up your form, and put the details. Like you can still name it the same name. These ones are just for identification sake, just to identify, which one is Swish, because you can run it different landing pages or stuff like that. So we are choosing the form type. We'll have sales form, we'll have lead generation form. For the purpose of this video, we are choosing lead generation form because we want to attract people to, to our CRM. So that is basically what we are doing. We want to get their information and do what? Store them in the CRM, and AI automation will take it off from there and start automating them, like sending them DMs and all that for the interested ones. And so before we talk of automation, we need the information, the details of the people interested in our business. All right. So we choose this one, and then choose the list to save the form. Now, it will now list the forms we've created. So we just created this particular form here, AI Sales System Masterclass. So this is where we want those information to be stored. So we won't need this one. We'll leave it as it is. So what next do we need? The form details. So we need the name, the email address, and the WhatsApp number of these people alone. If you don't need their email address, you can hide it here. If you don't need their name, you can hide it here, and their names will not apply and will not show. But let's leave this. These are very vital information that we need. We don't need their country. We don't need their state, their region where they're coming from. We don't want to know whether they are male or female. We want to need those information. So these are the basic things you need: the email and the phone number. The name is just for identification sake. Now we choose the fourth country. You can choose United Kingdom or USA or whatever. This is the default, so that Then when you come to CTA, CTA is call to action. Now, what is CTA? You can say this is what you want people to do. This is where you want to direct them to go. The action you want them to take. Get access now, join, get free access, So let's choose get free access. We can give it any color. You can decide to change to any color, but this is my color, So let me leave it here. This is my color. Then now when you come down here, you will see send lead information to your team WhatsApp group. So we don't have WhatsApp group now. If we have WhatsApp group, we can toggle this one on, then add the WhatsApp group link. But before then, this is not where we add the WhatsApp. So that's why you're seeing this right now. We can go to WhatsApp group, whatever, and then they create a WhatsApp group there. Once you create a WhatsApp group there, you will now see it pop up here. But for now, let's leave this one toggle off because we don't need it for now. So what this means is that once we get the form, or once those those people interested in your product, once they join, once they submit their list to you, automatically they'll be added to your WhatsApp group. Maybe if you've created a WhatsApp group, so but we can still, but by the time we get to WhatsApp page, we will create that one. But if you don't need it, if you don't want them to join your WhatsApp group, you can leave it as it is. So we create a form. So now we've created the form. Look at it. AI sales system masterclass. So we've created our list, zero number of contacts, and it's active. We created this 6 today, and then the form, we've created the form, which is lead form. All right. So that is the form. Now, the next thing is we are going to the landing page to build our landing page. This is the critical aspect of what we've been pitching. All right. So we do what generate done for you. So we can just name it, let's name it the same. So for the purpose of clarity and then being consistent, let's keep with the same name so that we don't cause any confusion. Yeah. So what type of done for you lead page do you want? Choose the type of, so we want lead pages. All right. Now we are going to select our form. Like I told you, this form consists of the names, the details, the information of the leads, okay, the interested people. So once they will just, so we've now let's choose this form. Okay, I says this thing. That is the form we've created already. All right. Okay. So we click continue. Now we'll have templates that we can use to achieve this purpose. Okay. Let's preview this one. So this is it. This is it. So this is it. And that's it telling you. So let's go back. Let's see this one. So this is this one. This is a template that we can choose from. This is this one. You can choose from. All right. Well, I don't know. Let's see. Let's try this one. Okay. Let's just take this one and then use it. So we select this template. Let's try it. Click start building. So we are building our landing page. All right. So we are here. I don't like this color. We have a lot of work to do here. So this is done for you. You can do it yourself, but basically, personally, I don't like this color. And it shows this. So we can use ChatGPT just to draft what you want. ChatGPT can help us here. All right. Now I've prompted ChatGPT. I've said to ChatGPT, hey man, I'm running a masterclass for my program, AI sales and marketing automation. I'm building a landing page. Can you help me draft what I need in creating my landing page? All right. So, right, AI, sorry, ChatGPT has come back to say that he is going to give me what to put on the page, why it works. Then I have to copy it and paste immediately without no waste of time. All right. So let's copy this one. This is the headline. So ChatGPT has already done a wonderful job for us here. So ChatGPT has done a wonderful job for us. So what we just need just to copy and paste. So for the headline, we just copy as instructed by ChatGPT, and then we paste. All right, copy and paste. We can decide to change some colors here so that it will be more significant, and then it will show. Oh no, what am I doing? Right. So this is my color. Yeah. So when you come here, we need to edit this one like short headline positioning. So so a live masterclass for creators, coaches, and digital entrepreneurs who want to stop chasing leads and start closing with automation. Yeah. So we can delete this one. So it says no coding, beginner friendly, race system, not theory, built for email, WhatsApp, and AI flow. So we are gradually getting there. All right, but we still need to change this one. What am I going to put here? Okay, let's just take this one. Think it makes sense. Yeah, and can we make it bold more? Yeah, let's make it bold enough. Yeah, and then bold enough like that. Yeah, yes, we'll get it. So AI sells some marketing automation system masterclass. So so I think this one makes sense. We're getting there. So do we need automation? Let me highlight automation again. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, this one makes sense. Wow. I can increase this one. I can increase all of them to increase font to large. Yeah, I think this one is okay. This one is okay. It's suitable, but we need to change this. I need to change the city. Yeah, I need to change this one. Then, or should I put get access? So I don't like the city. Yeah, so let's put this one. But I need to change this color. This is not my color. So you can change to your do it to your blended color, whatever you've got. So if I put this one like this, yeah, yes. So it will make sense and it will match. All right. Now you come down here to video. So you can set to put image. You can upload image. All right. You can upload image here, or you can upload video as well. But let's see as image look like. So we are on the page you see. All right. You will love it at the end. But if you put like video, let's put a video. Our work is making more sense now. We've done that. Where's this? Okay, let's keep this. So now, what you will learn, what they will learn, not what they will learn, what you will learn. Let's visit ChatGPT and then see what they have for us for what you will learn in this. So for the city, you see, reserve my feet, reserve my seat. I love this one. Let me check that's what we've got. No, let me, no, no one there. So for this, let me change it to get this. Reserve my seats. All right, so back to ChatGPT. We don't need this. We don't need this. Complete outcome. So they will learn this. What you will learn in this masterclass. So these are things you will learn. So let's edit it. What you will learn, not what they will learn. What you will learn in this masterclass. And then, so how to design. I can just choose one. We can remove this one so that we don't spoil our work. Yeah, well, that's one. That's one. Yeah, okay. One more than 80 character is fine. Then add more. Now, what do you want to add? Then three. So, so we're still putting things together. Number four, we just put things together. Four. So we're still building. I don't like the city, honestly. I don't like it. I don't like it. Let me change it. Let me change. Um, reserve my receipt now. Yeah. We change this color. This not my color. Uh, orange or gold. Yeah. All right. If I add more, oh, more city now. I need more city. So before it's okay. So this is what I'm going to learn: how to design a simple AI sales system, even if they are not technical. How to capture lead using, how to use AI, how to become. So let's preview what we've just done. This thing doesn't take an hour. Doesn't take much time. So can I actually can I yeah, is it better this way? You can just do whatever you want, you know. You can leave it that way. You can do whatever you want. You can leave it that way. You can upload something. You can just upload any image. No, we wouldn't want that. What else can you do? What else can you do? So let's preview what we've done anyway before we publish. So voila, we've got it. So this is our system. This is our landing page. This is our landing page built in minutes. All right. So that's fine. Okay. Let's see what has gone wrong then. Okay, there we go. So this is our landing page. Everything is not perfect. All right. So once you run an ad, um then your leads now click on your what you're offering. It will bring them here, and from when they've come here, they can say to watch your video. All right.
Let me ask you, have you ever felt you've got an amazing idea, but you don't have any clue how to turn it into digital income? Or maybe you've been watching others start their digital business, but you are still stuck figuring out where to begin.
Thank you very much. So once after watching this video, that person is still interested, they can now click here, fill this form, you know, put their names, their email, and then their phone number, and get free access now. But once this is done, the system will capture their details and store them in the CRM. From after then, another um system continues, like the automation we are talking about continues from there. So it is no, this is it. We've actually done our part. Our landing page is now created. All right, very simple. Now, when we now want to publish this, because if now we don't have the link until we publish it, once we will now have the link. This is the link we will now send to during our campaign. We will now add it on Facebook. When we are running ads. So this is the link, our page store. We will copy this. Yeah, all right. So if you're running an ad, you can add Google Analytics code, but it is optional, but it's good when you have it. When we're running an ad, we will get these codes. Even Facebook pixel code, optional, but is very, very important. If you have it, you can as well get it. Page description. So this will be better for our SEO. So important. Let's see if we can get something from ChatGPT. So let us use the headline. Just use the headline and sub headline. Just for the purpose of this video, so that we don't spend time building. All right. So this is the description. So this one's optional. This is optional. It's optional. But if you have them, it's good. You now click publish. All right. Page created successfully. Okay. So now we've created our landing page. Yeah. So this is it. Our job is half done. Now we'll now copy it. So two things. You can view this page. Yeah. Page. Yes. This is what we've created. So you can view the page, you can copy the link. Once you copy the link, then you can now take it to send it to use it in Facebook when you're running an ad. So we've actually created our landing page, and this is it. You can view it from here. Yes. All right. Now when you now click reserve my seats, like I've just said, you now take the system will now collect your information and continue um sending you or giving you the offer or pitching the offer to you. So this is what we have actually built. Now, when the system now collects the information, capture this. That is, we are moving to the next stage where the nurturing begins. Actually build. Now we have actually built our landing page. This thing does not take much time. It doesn't take up to 30 to 40 minutes to build. It's very easy to build. And everything is perfect. All right. So this is it. This is it. This is the landing page. From here, click examine my seat. The system collects your information, captures your information, and automation continues. From here, we enter the next step and next stage. Thanks for watching and keep sticking and keep learning and grabbing the information we are passing. Thank you.